everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the second part of one of my videos which I did a month back, I guess, and that was how to look stylish all the time with less effort, and you guys seem to love that video. So and I got such a good response and I'm really grateful for that. So here I am with the second part, and I hope you love this one the same as well. Alright, so this is a very basic thing and it doesn't need a lot of explaining. So the idea is whenever you're wearing something tight on the top, you need to wear something loose on the bottom, and vice versa. Whenever you're wearing something loose on the top, you need to wear something tight on the bottom. So this is the universal thing. It goes well all the time, it turns out right all the time, and it works for a lot of people, right? So if you know how to, the tight and tight can go along in a nice way if you know how to carry them out properly. But think this way, if you are wearing loose on the top and loose on the bottom, it looks really unflattering and it doesn't work out for many people. So yeah, always remember this concept because this is really handy and you don't have to think a lot before dressing. Managing your baby hair. This is something that a lot of people don't pay attention to, but this is very important, especially when you are trying to look, polished and put together, because flying baby hair all the time, like all over the places, is not only annoying, but it also makes you look very tired. So what I do to tackle this problem is I just spritz some of my hairspray on a comb, and I just comb through my baby hair and I just pack it on the face, and you'll be set for the whole day. So suppose if you have got absolutely no time to do any of this, this is a trick, a hack that's gonna come for your rescue, which is just to wear your sunglasses. Yes, as easy as it sounds, but it can literally amplify your looks, and it can, hide all your flaws that you might be having on your face, and hence making it look more stylish and classy. So having a dirty nail or chipped nails is not a very big problem. It's a very small thing which a lot of people, including me, tend to ignore. But think this way, if you're meeting somebody in person, or you are, in your office presenting something, you might not be caring about your nails, but the person in front of you is definitely gonna notice if they are dirty and stained. So, it takes only 5 minutes hardly. Just take some time out, chop them off, and if you want to wear some nail paint, just paint them nicely, because it's obviously has nothing to do with your work, but it's not a very good first impression either. So yeah, always keep that in mind. This might sound a little complicated to some of you, but this is very simple, just hear me out. The basic idea is whenever you're wearing something golden color, like whenever you're wearing a gold necklace, suppose, so rest of your jewelries, like your ring fingers or your earrings, should be the same in color, okay? And apart from that, the hardwares that you might be having at that time, like the chain of your purse or the chain of your boots, they should be also same in color, because if you are wearing gold for your jewelry, and when you are carrying something like silver on your purse, they can counteract each other in a very weird way, and if all the colors are matching, they look very cohesive. So just try this out, and this is a little extra of course, but why not? Alright everybody, that's all for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, if you like this video, then you know what you have to do. You have to give me a thumbs up, and if this piece of content was helpful to you at all, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to connect to me personally, then this is my Instagram handle and you can give a follow.